Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can change email address on X or Twitter. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, you need to open the application, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after opening your Twitter, here you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left corner right here. And then from here, you can tap on settings and privacy. After doing that, tap on your account. And then from here, tap on account information. So after doing that, here you can see this is your current email address. In order to change it, here you'll need to tap on your current email address just like this. And then here you need to enter your password of your Twitter account. So after entering the password here, tap on next and simply verify your email address. So in order to change your email address here, you'll need to type down the new email address that you want to change to. And in here you can see I have now successfully entered my new email address, and in here you can also see the option of let people who have your email address find and connect with you. If you want to do that, you can simply tap on it and enable it, or else you can simply tap on next and skip that option. And now a verification code will be sent to your email. So simply wait for that. Here you can see I have gotten it already, and on my inbox here you can see this is the verification code. Simply copy this just like this. Go back and simply enter the verification code in here. Just like this, here you can see I have entered the verification code. Simply tap on verify in order to verify. And just like this, here you can see I have successfully changed my email address on my X or Twitter account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.